Yeah. Okay, friends, hi. Hello and welcome. Today we're talking Boxycharm base box. Wow, eyebrow, you're really out here living your best life. Anyways, anywho, we are talking Boxycharm base box for November. Now, I have not personally received mine, but I was scrolling over on Instagram, and as always, I always leave the handles of any Instagram account or Facebook account that I am talking about, so you all can go show them some love too. But I was scrolling over on Instagram, and we've got a full Boxycharm base box reveal for November. So if I do end up receiving one in PR, I will definitely be back to unbox it for you all, do a little try on review, the whole 9 yards. And when I receive my paid for base box, I will definitely be back to do the whole 9 yards for you there too. Review, we love to do it. So if you're new here, welcome to the Hot Mess Express. My name's Rhonda, and over here it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Look at that. I'm only excited because I can start doing a little bit more motion with my now non-broken collarbone. Good times. Anyways, we keep it cute or put it on mute. Disclaimer, Gemini, ADHD, left hand turns, right hand turns, may circle back. It's never a guarantee. Anyways, let's go ahead and talk about Boxy sneak peeks over on Instagram. They released this picture right here, and of course we're going to talk about it. So when it came to the November choices for base box, some of us had 2 and some of us had 3. It was really odd, and you all have been telling me that that has happened again for December, which I find really interesting and kind of odd. I don't really know why they're doing that. So we did see for choices the Item Beauty eyeshadow palette. We did see a for Cosmetics trio palette, and then some of us, which I was included on that, not because they're like, oh, she's got a YouTube channel. No, my account that I purchased my base box is like under a different name. So hold up, it's not it. That wasn't even a sentence. The coffee is very strong today, and I've taken it all out. Anyways, it was the Lunar Beauty palette. All of that to tell you that. Whatever. Okay, so what we're seeing in this particular variation is if you chose the, did I call it It Cosmetics? I think I did. I meant Item Beauty. I mean, I was close. I mean, it starts with an I and a T. Shh, just let me live my life. It's Friday, okay? It's Friday. It's a double upload. And if you missed this look and you like this look, and if you don't tell me about it, okay? But I did an AIA Beauty Bundle unboxing, and I uploaded, I mean, I got that thing done really quick. I was so proud of me. I'm like, coffee strong all day long. Anywho, so if you like this eye look, I will try and, can she be fancy, and link it somewhere up in here? I don't know. If not, hopefully it's at the end screen after this video. So the Item Beauty eyeshadow palette, it's called In My Element eyeshadow palette. It looks like it has 10 shades in here, a mixture of mattes and shimmers. I personally chose that one for my paid for base box because I own the Lunar Beauty palette. It's amazing, by the way. And I actually own the For Cosmetics Bronzer Contour Highlight Trio, which is also amazing. So I went ahead with this one because I've never tried out, that I can think of, the Item Beauty eyeshadow formula. We've seen their mascara, their primers, and I actually really love those. Like, I'm out of the mascara, but the primers, everything, very good. So the next thing that we are seeing here is the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Whipped Cream. Now, I honestly have some thoughts on that because I am like 99% sure that we've seen this in past boxes. And in my head, I'm thinking it was in like a past one of my paid for base boxes. Could I be wrong? Absolutely. I mean, I am a mom, and I mean, they give you like the whole 9 yards if you go to the doctor and you're like, oh my God, I can't remember Jack. I think I'm getting something wrong with my brain. And they're like, you're a mom, you have a lot on your plate. So I just roll with it. I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. So it could have been something that we've seen in a premium or luxe box. I don't really know. So if you have received this in your base box, let us know down below. Here's the thing that I have noticed ever since Ipsy has kind of taken Boxy over. The one thing we are seeing is a lot of repeats. Now, I always tell you all, if the repeats come from like a luxe box down to my base box, I'm totally fine with that. I don't have an issue with that whatsoever. Where I don't really like it is when it was like a base box product and then it just kind of starts getting recycled into other base boxes. You know what I mean? Like, maybe I'm overthinking it, maybe it's lunchtime and I'm hungry, but I don't like that. And I feel like that is something we see Ipsy do a lot over at Ipsy. And I'm like, no, don't you bring that to Boxy. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on that. Like I said, if it was a past premium or a luxe box product and it's trickled down to the base box, that's fine. That's fine. I'm just being a little snippy, whatever. All right, next item that we are seeing is the Sophia Mabel Shop Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil. I think that lip oils are something that are great, especially going from, you know, summer into fall and winter. I need all the hydration I can possibly get. So it's an okay filler for me, not over the top. But this next item is, I don't even know how to say this right, AMINNAH, Amina Skincare. It's a macaroon lip scrub. So I honestly thought this was a truly beauty little lip pot that we've seen before. Now here's the thing with that. If I'm getting a lip oil, I don't necessarily want, I mean, it's a lip scrub, so I guess it kind of makes sense. Like, scrub your lips and then put the oil on and you got some like nice plump juicy lips. So okay, fine. And then the last item that we are seeing is Shop LES Beauty. It's a cream bronzer, which you all know my love of cream products, so I'm not too upset personally over that. But what I will say is this particular variation doesn't have me super crazy excited. Like I said, it's lunchtime. And I'm not me when I'm hungry. I'm not me when I'm tired. So it could be that. I think too, also, let me just say this. The Item Beauty palette, I chose it because I do not own it. All right. So with that being said, I was not very intrigued with the Item Beauty eyeshadow palette just based off of the colors. You all know, like, I like some warmth in my eyeshadow palettes, but I like some like muted cool tones as well. So this is not even a palette that I typically would have gravitated to. But like I said, I already owned the Lunar Beauty one and the Ofra, so I thought, why not pick something that I haven't tried out? So with that said, I think I'm being a little biased anyways. I don't know, I think that was karma. I just choked on my spit. But I think I'm just being a little like, nyeh, anyways, because I'm not overly excited over the color story with this particular palette. Then of course, seeing the Saturday Skin repeat in there. Like I said, that could have been something in a higher up box. But the lip oil, the lip scrub, it's cute. It's a nice filler, but when I get a lip scrub, I would like to get like a lip something, not oil with it. You know what I mean? I think I'm just being a little, but what do you guys think? It's probably me, right? What do they say? Is it me? Am I the drama? It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. Okay, anyways, as far as the cream bronzer goes, I do like that. I received a NARS one in a Chic Beauty box not too long ago, and it's amazing. And going into the cooler months, I need that hydration. So I don't know, let me know y'all's thoughts down below. And don't forget to go over, if you have Instagram, and give Boxy Sneak Peeks a follow over there. They are absolutely amazing, of course, getting all of this information out to us. And like I told you all, if I end up receiving a PR box from Boxycharm, I'll definitely be back to unbox it for y'all. playing the product, and then of course my paid for box. So stay tuned for all of that. I have filmed my next giveaway video, so that will be coming up very soon. All right, friends, so that is all for today's video. If you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. I just wanted to show you all, I am still sporting my bubble bar rings, and they are holding up beautifully. I will have them linked down below for y'all. My nails are still the impressed nails. I freaking love them. They come with like stickers, and so for like a week I'd stuck them on and glued them on, and then once, like, I don't know, a week later, I started to pop them off, and then I took the sticky stuff off and then just straight up glued it right back down. So I'm getting like 2 weeks out of these nails. I love that, because I don't like sitting and getting my nails done, and I don't like sitting and doing my own doggone nails for like an hour at a time. So these like press-ons, in my opinion, it's where it's at. All right, y'all, that is all for today's video. Make sure to check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for plus size cover gold fashion hauls. I do Shein curve hauls. I do Walmart hauls over there. My top is from Yvette Sports. My leggings are from Halara. I've done hauls with them. I've got a lot of stuff going on over there, so definitely make sure to check out my other channel. Huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support this channel, but you choose to, and I greatly appreciate you all. If you're interested in signing up and becoming one of the YouTube members, just check my description box down below. If you want a color match, I can do that as well. There is a form. Just clickety click, send it on its way, and I can get you a color match today. Maybe not today, but within 48 hours. Anyways, everything will be linked and listed down below, and thank you guys bunches for watching today's video. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.